Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach the vocabulary and grammar in Unit 1. Yes, homophone. Homophones are words with the same pronunciation but different meanings, origins, or spelling. For example, here few words are given: new, new, whole, whole, night, night, sea, sea. Yes, these words have the same pronunciation, but the meanings are different. So, these are called homophones. Pick out the correct homophone. Before answering the question, read the question carefully. Understand the meaning and then pick out the correct answer given in the bracket. Is the first one. I am not dash to drink soda. Allowed, allowed. The answer is allowed. Allowed. I am not allowed to drink soda. The wind dash the leaves. Blue, blue. The answer is BLEW. The wind blew the leaves. I will dash my friend. Meet and meet. The answer is MEET. Meet. I will meet my friend. He will play the dash in the second play. Roll, roll. Yes, the answer is ROLE. Roll. He will play the role in the second play. I have dashed the movie already. Seen, seen. The answer is SEEN. I have seen the movie already. Yes, I am not allowed to drink soda. The wind blew the leaves. I will meet my friend. He will play the role in the second play. I have seen the movie already. Choose the correct homophone. Every morning, my father likes to look at the dash on the grass. Yes, dew, dew. Answer is DEW. Every morning, my father likes to look at the dew on the grass. Chennai is the dash of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital, CAPITAL, capital of Tamil Nadu. I was very dash last weekend because my friends went to the village without informing me. Yes, the answer is BORED. I was very bored last weekend because my friends went to the village without informing me. The cat caught the dash of a mouse. The answer is SCENT, that is the smell. The cat caught the scent of a mouse. The dash rises in the east. The answer is SUN, sun. The sun rises in the east. Yes, every morning my father likes to look at the dew on the grass. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. I was very bored last weekend because my friends went to the village without informing me. The cat caught the scent of a mouse. The sun rises in the east. Abbreviation and acronyms. Yes, abbreviation. An abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase. Abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase. Example, PM, Prime Minister, CM, Chief Minister. Yes, here example is given for you. ATM, Automated Teller Machine. Yes, here we used the first letter A, T and M. So, ATM. GB, Gigabyte. PC, Personal Computer. CEO, Chief Educational Officer. EMIS, Education Management Information System. IAS, Indian Administrative Service. NMMS, National Means Cum Merit Scholarship. SBI, State Bank of India. OTP, One Time Password. IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. PDF, Portable Document Format. LED, Light Emitting Diode. UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supply. GST, Goods and Services Tax. Yes, acronyms. An acronym is a shortened form of a phrase and is usually made up of the initial letters of that phrase. For example, NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Mostly we can spell it as a word. For example, ISRO, NASA, AIDS, NEET, News, etc. They are acronyms. Yes, let us see the example given. Avadi, Armored Vehicles and Ammunition Depot of India. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, Read Only Memory. NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. UDC, Unified District Information System for Education. PAN, Permanent Account Number. WHO, World Health Organization. News, North, East, West and South. SIM, Subscriber Identification Module. LAN, Local Area Network. VAT, Value Added Tax. Is here you are asked to expand the following. Yes, let us see the answers for these questions. Yes, let us see the answer for the book exercise. Expand the following. ECG, electrocardiogram. Yes, here I underlined the first letter we used for the abbreviation and acronyms. ILO, International Labour Organization. SCERT, State Council of Educational Research and Training. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. FIR, First Information Report. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. AIDS, Acquired immune deficiency syndrome. ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. UFO, unidentified flying object. FAQ, frequently asked questions. Yes, let us recall the parts of speech. Parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Let us see it one by one. Noun. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. Example, Akbar, person. Chennai, place. Computer, thing. Dog, animal. These are nouns. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, him, her and them. Yes, verb. Verb is a word used to express an action or state. Example, come, read, speak, write, learn, am, is, was, or, have, had, do, does, did. Yes, there are many action words. Adverb. Adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective or another verb. Example, very, beautifully, cleverly, quickly, quite, possibly, never, often. Then adjective. Adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. Here, adverb describes or modifies a verb and adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. Example, beautiful, intelligent, good, bad, clever, little, honest, some, great, large. Then preposition. Preposition is a word placed before with noun or a pronoun. It shows the relation of the noun or pronoun to something else. To express the relationship of the noun or pronoun to something, we use preposition. Example, in, of, at, on, by, for, from, out, to, up, with, about, into. Yes, conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. Example, and, but, because, or, etc. Then interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling, a loss. Wow, hurrah, oh, hello, ah, hush, bravo. Yes, these are interjection. Yes, let us see the parts of speech elaborately. First one is noun. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, thing, animal or an idea. Yes, types of nouns. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Yes, let us see it one by one. Proper noun. Proper noun is the name of the particular person or place. Example, Hari, Akbar, Stephen, like that. Proper noun is the name of the particular person or place. Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Yes, next one is common noun. Common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing, but it is of the same class or kind. Common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Example, boy, girl, woman, tree, animal, school, student, teacher. Yes, these are common noun. Collective noun. Collective noun is the name of a number of persons or things taken together. Example, police, army, crowd, people, team, nation, family. Is number of persons or things taken together is called collective noun. Abstract noun. It is usually the name of quality, action or state. Quality is kindness, honesty, and action, laughter, hatred. Then state, youth. Is material noun. It is the name of a raw material of a product. Example, gold, silver, fiber, diamond, wood, clay, cotton. These are material noun. Yes, here a list of words are given in a box and you are asked to pick out the words from the list and put them appropriately in the given table. Here they gave person, place, thing, animal, ideas or feelings. You are going to pick out the words from the list and you are going to write it in the table. Yes, for example, David, person, Madurai, place, parrot, animal, happiness, ideas or feelings, book, thing, thought, feelings, green, here idea, tiger, animal, Trichy, place, computer, thing, Narayanan, person, fan, thing, sister, person, Kalam, person, woman, person, pencil, thing, Bharati, person, problem. Yes, here ideas or feelings, brother, person, Mumbai, place, swan, animal, elephant, animal, Vijay, person, solution, ideas or feelings, success, ideas or feelings, school, place, convent, place. Yes, we listed out the given words appropriately in the table. Yes, read the following paragraph and pick out the different types of nouns and put them in the table. Hobby is an activity that we enjoy doing in our free time. It keeps us busy in our leisure time. People choose their hobby on the basis of their interests and personality. Do you know what Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's hobby was? Yes, here we are going to pick out the different types of nouns and we are going to write them in the given table. Yes, proper noun is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, common noun is hobby. Then collective noun, people. Abstract noun, busy, interest and personality. Yes, the collective noun is given in the box and you are asked to fill in the blanks with the suitable collective noun. A dash of cows, a herd of cows, a flock of birds, a choir of singers, a bottle of milk, a cup of tea, a swarm of ants, a bunch of grapes, a bowl of rice, a pair of shoes, a shower of rain. Yes, pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Let us see the example. Shobha always loves dancing. She wants to go to dance school. Yes, here in the above example, the word she replaces the noun Shobha. So, the word she is used instead of a noun Shobha. It is called pronoun. Yes, subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun are given in a table. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are subject pronoun. Then object pronoun I, me, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, it. Yes, the subject pronoun I is me in object pronoun. Like that, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, it. And then possessive adjective. Yes, mine, our, your, their, his, her, its. Then the possessive pronoun mine, ours, yours, theirs, his, hers, its. Yes, let us see the subject pronoun and object pronoun. A subject pronoun is a personal pronoun that is used as the subject of a verb. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Yes, it is a personal pronoun and used as the subject of a verb. Examples: she is my friend. It is my dog. They are reading. Here I underlined the subject pronoun she, it, they. And then object pronoun. An object pronoun is a type of personal pronoun that replaces a noun with an object. Listen carefully. An object pronoun is a type of personal pronoun, but it replaces a noun with an object. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. As examples, the painting is done by me. He called them. I will give you a book. Yes, here also I underlined the object pronoun me, them, you. Here this object pronoun replaces a noun with an object. Yes, here pronouns are given in a box and we are going to change the underlined words with correct pronoun. Here few words are underlined and we are going to change the underlined words with correct pronoun given here. I saw Mr. Balu this morning and gave Mr. Balu my homework. Yes, we are going to remove Mr. Balu, which was underlined, and instead of that we are going to use him. I saw Mr. Balu this morning and gave him my homework. Muthu likes computer games, but he doesn't play computer games very often. Yes, we are going to remove computer games as it is a thing. We are going to use it. Muthu likes computer games but he doesn't play it very often. My aunt lives in Trichy, but my aunt often comes to visit my family. Yes, instead of my aunt, we should use she. My aunt lives in Trichy, but she often comes to visit my family. Neil Armstrong was born in 1930. Neil Armstrong landed on the moon in 1969. Yes, we are going to use he instead of Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was born in 1930. He landed on the moon in 1969. He helped the old lady. He gave the old lady food. Yes, instead of the old lady, we are going to use her. He helped the old lady. He gave her food. Yes, possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, to show something belongs to somebody. Example, my shirt is green. Your book is new. Her dog is small. Our bird is noisy. Yes, here my, your, her, are. These are possessive adjective. Then possessive pronoun. It is used to replace the possessive adjective. Example, green shirt is mine. Here my is replaced by mine. New book is yours. Your. Here yours. Small dog is hers. Her. Hers. Noisy bird is ours. Ours. So here possessive pronoun is used to replace the possessive adjective. Here the possessive adjectives my, your, her, are. These are replaced with the possessive pronoun mine, yours, hers, ours. So these are possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Is here 5 sentences are given and you are asked to change the possessive adjective into possessive pronoun. Here in the question itself I underlined the possessive adjective. This is my pen. The answer is this pen is mine. Yes, my is changed into mine. Sneba missed her purse. The missed purse is hers. Yes, here her is changed into hers. Her speech is nice. The nice speech is hers. Yes, her to hers. My book is new. The new book is mine. Yes, my is changed to mine. My bike is costly. The costly bike is mine. Yes, here I underlined the possessive adjective and also the possessive pronoun here. So it will be easy for you to understand the changes. Yes, the next one is verb. We know that verb is a word used to express an action or state. Here we are going to see the transitive and intransitive verbs. Yes, transitive verbs are verbs that express action with an object. Yes, transitive verbs have an object. The object of a transitive verb can be a noun, pronoun or a noun class or phrase. Yes, listen. The object of a transitive verb can be a noun, pronoun or a noun class or phrase. Examples. I threw a ball. Here, ball is a noun as object. And we beat them. Yes, them, that is pronoun as object. I think that you are correct. Yes, that you are correct. It is a noun class which is as object. So, transitive verbs are the verbs that express action with an object. Intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are verbs that express action without an object. Is transitive with an object, and intransitive is without an action, or sorry, without an object. The verbs express action. Example, I ran. Here ran is the verb, but there is no object. I ran swiftly. I ran in the race. So, understand it carefully that transitive verbs which express action with an object. Yes, here intransitive verbs are verbs that express action without an object. Action will be there, but there won't be any object. Yes, here you are asked to list out the transitive and intransitive verbs in following words. Yes, come, buy, teach, learn, arrive, sing, run, draw, jump, write. Yes, here I listed out the transitive verbs buy, teach, learn, sing, draw, write. Intransitive verbs come, arrive, run, jump.